A long time ago, in the country of Japan, there lived two frogs. One of them lived in Osaka, while the other dwelled in the city of Kyoto. They had never heard of each other or traveled before, but oddly enough, the idea came into their heads at the exact same time that they would like to see a little of the world. One fine morning, they both set out along the road that led from Kyoto to Osaka. One frog coming from Osaka and the other from Kyoto. The journey was more tiring than expected, for they did not know much about traveling, nor that halfway between the two towns there rose a mountain which had to be climbed. They finally made it to the top of the mountain, and each were quite surprised to see another frog standing in front of them. They told each other about their journeys and desire to see the cities of Osaka and Kyoto, and agreed to take a rest together before continuing on their way.
What a pity we are not bigger, for then we could see both towns from here and tell if it is worth our while going on.
Oh, that is easily managed. We have only to stand up on our hind legs and hold on to each other. And then we can each look at the town we are traveling to.
That is a wonderful idea.
In their haste, the foolish frogs forgot that when they stood up on their legs, their great eyes lay on the back of their heads, and that though their nose might point to the places to which they wanted to go, their eyes beheld the places from which they had come.
Dear me, Kyoto is exactly like Osaka. It is certainly not worth such a long journey. I shall go home.
Agreed. If I had any idea that Osaka was only a copy of Kyoto, I never would have traveled all this way.
With that, the frogs set back for their homes, and for the rest of their lives thought that Osaka and Kyoto were identical cities. And this is why people say the grass isn't always greener on the other side.